Today we're going to show you how to install our GSG SIG 1911-22 enhanced firing pin. Start by completely stripping the slide. Remove the barrel bushing, the guide rod assembly, and the barrel from the slide. And we're going to start by removing this pin from the rear of the slide, which lets out the sub-assembly which contains the firing pin. This pin is directional and it's headed. The flared head is on the right side, or the ejection port side from the factory. So you're going to want to drive it from left to right. Set that aside. This assembly will slide forward towards the muzzle end and then down. There's a groove that those ears need to slide out of. So this is the sub-assembly that contains the firing pin safety, and the cross pin. Take a punch, push the cross pin out. Should just slide out, there's no tension on it at this point. Next, remove the firing pin from the back, but as you pull up, this is the firing pin block. And it's going to come out. Watch the spring. And as you remove the factory firing pin, note that the spring is under tension. So as you pull it up, that spring is going to come out. That's what returns the firing pin to the rear. So if the spring and detent assembly come out, the detent goes towards the rear and our firing pin will go back in, and you hook the front over that spring and place it in the slide. Push it back and forth, feel the spring tension. Now you can reinstall the firing pin safety block in the rear and then replace the cross pin . Now you're ready to reinstall it back into the slide. So just basically reverse what you did before. Line up the ears, slide it up till it clicks, slide it to the rear, reinstall the pin, and tap it across.